this video, I'll guide you on how to remove text from an image using Canva. Let's take this image as an example. Click on the image and go to Edit. Next, let's use the Grab Text feature. Click on it, select the text you want to remove, and click Grab. Once you've grabbed the text, simply click Delete to remove it. Another method is to use the Magic Eraser tool. Just brush over the text you want to remove, and then click Erase. Canva will automatically fill in the background for you. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove text from your images using Canva.